Hey there, awesome kids! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Mrs. K, and today we're going to dive into the world of alliteration. Alliteration is a fun and fantastic way to make words in a sentence sound super cool. But first, let's break it down. Alliteration happens when words in a sentence start with the same sound. It's like magic for your ears. Pete's parrot pecks pickles and pears at the park. Did you catch that? Every important word in that sentence starts with the P sound. That, my friends, is alliteration. Now, let's learn about alliteration through a fun story about Sammy the Squirrel. Once upon a time, in a sunny, sparkling forest, there lived a swift squirrel named Sammy. Sammy loved to scamper around, seeking sweet, scrumptious snacks. Sammy's favorite snack was sticky, sugary sap from tall, twisted trees. One sunny Saturday, Sammy saw a shimmering, shiny spot on one of those tall trees. He sprang swiftly up the tree trunk to savor the sticky sap. "Superb!" squeaked Sammy. "This sap is simply splendid!" Suddenly, Sammy's friend, Sally the singing sparrow, swooped down and said, "Sammy, save some sap for me!" Sammy and Sally shared the sweet sap, singing and celebrating together in the serene, sunny forest. And they lived happily ever after. Wasn't that a sweet story? Now, let's look at some of the alliteration we heard. Remember these phrases: swift squirrel, sweet, scrumptious snacks, shimmering, shiny spot, tall, twisted trees, and singing sparrow. All those phrases have words starting with the same sounds. So, next time you tell a story or write a sentence, try using some alliteration to make it more fun and exciting. You can even make a game out of it with friends or family. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss an awesome word wizardry episode. Keep practicing your alliteration, and I'll see you next time. Bye!